Hey guys, it's Jane here with another how-to in 90 seconds. If you're a beginner investor or just trying to brush up on your investing knowledge, this is the video for you. Today we'll be going over some basic investing terms so you can not only walk the walk, but talk the talk. Now, I know the investment world might seem a bit intimidating, and trust me, I've been there. But learning some basic investment terms can go a long way towards helping you become better prepared to make your first investment. So, let's start the clock. Alright, so let's start with one of the more basic investing terms. An asset. An asset is an item that has value in an exchange. That can be a stock, a bond, a mutual fund, a bank account, or real estate. Investing is just trying to buy an asset that will increase in value over time. So, let's take a closer look at some of the more common assets. A bond is basically a loan for a big organization to use. For example, the government would issue a bond because they need money, and lots of it, to help them fund certain projects. Basically, you and other investors are acting like a bank, loaning out money and then collecting interest along the way. It's a win-win because the government gets the money they need right now, and investors will get paid in full when the bond matures, with interest. Another type of asset would be a stock. So when you buy a stock, you become part owner in a company. One in millions, but still part owner. And that means you're entitled to a tiny slice of everything that the company owns and makes. When a company is successful, those rights become more valuable to other investors and the stock will go up in price. That gives you a profit when and if you decide to sell. Alright, so now that you've got a more basic understanding of different types of assets, it's time to discuss asset allocation, a fundamental concept of investing. It basically refers to how an investor would divide their money across different assets, like stocks and bonds. Asset allocation is important because how you choose to divide up your investments will have a major impact on how fast your money grows and how much risk you're taking. There's no right or wrong way to approach asset allocation. It's all about finding the mix that's comfortable for you and your financial situation. I hope this investment crash course has got you feeling a bit more prepared. Just remember that speaking like an investor isn't just learning the lingo, but also being confident in what you're saying. So, go study and equip yourself with as much knowledge as you can. You can start by checking out our Invested episodes for some more investing tips and tricks. If you've learned something useful, go ahead and subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on the next how-to.